everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I got dressed early this morning. It's about 8 a.m. Today is Monday, so generally we would be doing getting ready Aubrey ready for homeschooling, but today we're gonna do something a little different. She just hasn't been showing as much interest in her schoolwork like she usually does, just because she's upset about the school year being canceled. So I wanted to take her on a little field trip and surprise her, just something to change it up. And then when we get home, we'll actually do her schoolwork. So I'm gonna get the kids up, get them dressed, and head out. Before I leave, I just wanted to do a little outfit of the day. I've got this is actually like a dress top, but I just kind of dressed it down because it does kind of look like it could be dressed down. So I wore it and I paired it with my turquoise gold hoop earrings with the fringe at the bottom. I've got a little bit of bangle bracelets on, and then I've just got some regular jean shorts, cutoff shorts, and then I've got my cheetah print shoes from Amazon. Just wanted to show you guys that, and now I'm going to go get the kids and get them ready, and I'll show you what they're gonna wear today. Good morning, brother. You ready to go see the surprise?
Yeah, he's so sassy. See my prize?
Yeah. Brother Bear's ready. Yeah. You ready? All dressed up. Say cheese. What's her outfit? What you got on today, Aubrey? It's your puppy dog shirt? And what shoes? You got some sandals on?
It's a big baby puppy from yesterday.
Oh, really? Can you show us? What hair do you have today? Whose hair is that? Is that Elsa hair?
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
Open back
We're going
up,
to
will you
Savannah's
automatically
house?
get your job back? You know, I think
Because we're going to pick her up. You don't want to pick Aunt Savannah up?
Hey, she belongs in my room.
She belongs in your room.
And I belong in my room too.
Oh, you both belong in your room?
There's a puppy.
There's someone walking their puppy.
I walk my puppy every day.
You walk your puppies every day?
I walk Reno, and then Dad walks Baby.
No, not again. Pull up and order you something to eat.
No, I don't want it. I need to get a strawberry donut with sprinkles on it.
Okay.
And then I need to get, do you want a large?
Yes.
And then I need 2 large iced coffees with French vanilla swirl and cream and sugar.
The first roll of cream and sugar? Or
Yes,
three?
that's all.
It was 2 coffees, right?
Yes.
Great, you can pour it.
Thank you.
He's a manager here.
Can you get my wallet so I can get my card?
He's a manager here? I don't know where your purse is at.
I was gonna pay for the person behind us, but I don't think there's gonna be a person behind us. You're like, oh, let me get that. Let me get your card.
I had the finances.
I can't support the people behind us.
I had the finances for our car and our car only.
Well, I don't think anyone's gonna come. So.
Your wallet's not in here.
What?
Last time I saw your wallet, it was in the side of the door. Did you get the snake out? Oh my god!
Thought you saw a snake. I'm like, why? I was supporting that. I'm probably.
There is a person behind us.
Yeah.
Of course. Hey.
Here, if you want to buy our coffee, I'll buy theirs.
Aubrey, I was there. I remember.
You don't have the Dunkin' app to get your points?
No. I should though. I really should. You know, they're getting one closer to my house. Where's my wallet? What, baby? To be safe. Remember the virus? Here you go. Yes, your pink donut. With sprinkles on it. What? Did you really just drop your donut on?
And can I pay for the person behind me too? This is not my card.
Yeah, it's not. I would like that back.
Save the receipt.
Okay. I suggest we pulled Aubrey's donut off.
Yeah. Thank you. You too.
You know, after the whole cracker incident, I realized it's really not that bad, you know? You ate the chocolate.
Guess what? You're gonna see a lot of alligators. They won't bite us because we'll be in the truck. Are you excited? Look for alligators. See all the tall grass?
Ooh, there's a bird, Aubrey. Did you see it?
How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin? Why do I fall deep within? Where did I go?
Mom.
Right there.
Can you?
Oh, I don't think you'll be able to reach it.
Is it big?
And baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on. That shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made.
We dyed Aubrey's hair. Let me see your hair.
The Shih Tzu was created by crossing the Pekingese with the Lhasa Apso and landing where she earned the
Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and say that I'm really sorry I didn't get a lot of footage today when we got back. I am like super beat. I had to take these lashes off. They were driving me insane. We dyed Aubrey's hair blue and purple, and now my hands are dyed. And then by the time I got done with that, Rhett was hungry, gave him dinner, put him to bed, and just things kind of got a little busy. But now I need to tend to the house so I can wind down for bed. So if you're in the Savannah or the Hardyville, South Carolina area, Savannah area, I highly recommend taking the kids to the wildlife refuge. And there's also a walking trail that we were going to do, but the second we got the kids in the truck from the drive, they were passed out. So we didn't really want to have to get them out the truck, and Aubrey wasn't going to walk after all that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really does help my channel. And I do appreciate all of the love and support that I've already gained already. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. Okay, bye.
But I'm just fine.